Who's ever thought about riding a motorcycle in Australia? Freedom Biker Tours, the #1 motorcycle tour company in Canada, provides cage-free, worry-free motorcycle vacation experiences in Canada, Mexico, and now introducing Australia. With our associates based in Australia, Ride the World Motorcycle Tours, we've created a 15-day bucket list motorcycle vacation experience, Ride Australia's Southeast. Program starts and ends in Sydney, Australia. Lots of activities, lots of history, lots of cool Australian stuff. You'll be up close with kangaroos, koalas, and maybe a few other unique Australian experiences here and there. November 15th, 2025.